The example shown is the simplest of twills, the 2x1. It repeats on 3 ends and 3 picks. The opposite of a 2x1 twill is the 1x2 twill. The 2x1 twill is a warp-faced twill, and the 1x2 is a filling-faced twill. These are the same fabric, just opposite sides. In twills, the first number represents the number of warp risers on the first warp end of the repeat. The second number is the number of warp sinkers, following the risers on the same warp end. The graph represents a 2x1 right-hand twill. Find the first warp yarn and follow the path of this yarn. It's obvious that there are 2 warp risers followed by 1 warp sinker per repeat. Follow the second warp yarn and you can see that the warp sinker is first, followed by 2 warp risers. The final warp yarn in the repeat has a warp riser, a warp sinker, and another warp riser. The pattern is repeated in both the vertical and horizontal directions.